What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I look crazy already. I know, sis, is looking a mess. I know. But we about to fix that. We about to fix it. We about to fix it all in today's video, okay? I mean, by the title, you already know what we finna do. We about to slick this back into a sleek ponytail. So, I just want it to be sleek, 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 to where it's like, no type of hair that's not all in the same direction, like no type of bumps. I want it to just be sleek ponytail, okay? So that's what I'm going for today. That is my goal. Hopefully I accomplish it because I just want it to look right. I just want it to be sleek. That's it. That's it. That's it. So before I go ahead and get started with this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you are not subscribed, smash the button down below. Smash the button. Hit that button down below, then go ahead and slide to the right and turn notifications on. Go ahead, do it. I'm waiting. Alright, cool. Alright, now let's move on. Let's move on. So first thing first, let me tell you guys what all you're going to be needing. A rat tail comb, yes, check. A water bottle, check. Some gel, check. And maybe some wrapping lotion, maybe, but check. And then you're also gonna need a brush with some hard bristles and soft bristles. Check, check. And then 2 scrunchies. Check, check. And these are the big ones. These are the big scrunchies, okay? These are the big ones. Hey. Now, the only thing I don't know is I don't know if I want to do like one ponytail back here, if I want to do like the ponytail that stops right here and the back is a little bigger. I think I'm going to do the one with the back being a little bigger because I want a lot of volume, I feel like. Because I feel like right now in the front it looks weird with these flexi rides. I mean with these rides that I use, but the ends are popping. So that means the ends of my bun gonna look popping basically. Because like the ends look good, so the bun's gonna look great. And that's another tip. That's a great time to do a bun style or whatever, is when it's an old style but the ends still look good. Sis, that style is not ruined. You can refurbish that style into a ponytail for a good 4 days or more, and your ponytail be popping because the ends are popping. So stay on game, sis. Don't waste your time. Stay on game. Stay on game. So the first thing I'm going to do, spray it with a little bit of water. Just a little bit, because I don't need no wet hair or nothing like that, you know. Nice and moist, okay. And I only sprayed this part. Is my part even? It's even enough. Then I'm going to get my scrunchie. And I saw a lot of this off of, y'all know my favorite, like one of my favorite influencers, Marley. So she did like a sleek back ponytail. And I was like, this is my attempt of trying it right now. Gonna pull it all back like this. Alright, so it grabbed like way back here, but I don't want it that far back, so I'll pull some of this out. Like that. This is what she did, and I was like, see, that's why I like you, because you got the good tips, sis. You got the good tips. Like, and then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Stop it like right there. Oops. Oops. Gotta redo this one. There we go. Just like that. Alright, so now it's like, you know, you can still see my hair from the front. So now I'm going to take my gel and I'm going to apply it all up here. And y'all, I'm applying a good bit of gel now, okay? You gotta get it sleek, sis. Don't be trying to be cute with the gel now. Because your ponytail ain't gonna be cute. Alright, so she took her dimming brush and smoothed her hair out. So I'm gonna do that too. Just to get it nice and smooth. Oh wow, that actually worked really, really good. I mean, really, really well. Wow, this actually works way better than I had thought it would. Oops. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with my hard bristle brush. And just, because everything's already smooth because of that dimming brush. And then we're just smoothing it some more, y'all. Y'all, that dimming brush idea worked wonders. Like, my ponytail ain't never been this smooth, y'all. Never. Alright, so now that the hair is sleek, you can see right here, like all that hair I brushed back is right here. So then we're going to take that rubber band. And pull this up. Okay, my camera cut out, but all I did was to pull my elastic band and then pulled all that hair back behind that band like I did at first. And then pushed it back to where I want it, which is like right here. I feel like that's a good spot for it. And then I'm going to just take some of these bobby pins. These are like a little bit bigger than the smaller ones. Put it by the white. So yeah, it's kind of long. And then I'm going to pin that right where I want the band to stay. Just like that. And then I'm going to place 3 of these in my hair. So yep, that's that part. And now I'm going to do my edges. So I brought my toothbrush. I'm going to wet it a little bit. This is some gel, and I'm going to go in where I want to lay my edges. Y'all know I cannot do edges on camera. So I may just have to step off camera to do these how I want them. Alright, I'm going to go off camera and get them how I like them. Alright sis, so I went off camera and did my edges nice and sleek. And I'm going to just take my wave brush, this small one. I just wanted a little bit more waves in my hair. There we go. Alright. So this is what it's looking like. So now I'm gonna tie it up with my satin scarf. I'm tying this tight, so I have to take my ears out. That's how you get headaches. And then I'm going to tie it up here. Then I'm going to let this dry, and then we're going to go ahead and take it off and see what these results looking like. Okay fam, so I took the headscarf off, and y'all, this is so stinking cute. I absolutely love how this looks. I'm going to give y'all a little look. The waves are on swim, sis, okay? Swim. They're on swim. They surfing. They snorkeling, they diving in the water, they can swim, no drowning. Sis, drip drip. And just look at the volume from this rod set. I'm gonna just go ahead and fluff a little bit more. Just a tad bit. So yes, sis, these are my results. I will most definitely say that by using that Denman to sleek my hair back, y'all, my hair has never been this sleek in a back style. Like never, ever, ever. And I always hate that because I hate the bumpiness. My hair is not bumpy at all, sis. Like, just popping. But yes, that is the end of today's video. Let me know if these tips helped you in any way. And I really do hope you enjoyed it. This is so cute. I'm going to wear this for a few days. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for today's video. Let me know if you like it in the comment section down below. Also, give me a like, thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not joined by now. Smash the button for me, okay? Alright, guys. See you in the next video. I'm out, sis.